Hi friends, let's see today a video about how to develop your income in Try3. Okay, so last video I posted about Try3, how it is works and how income earnings. So all about that. So now with this video, how to develop your income. So in Try3, there's lots of income plans in the Try3. Okay, so let's see what's about that. Tire income, bounty income, extra bounty income, and bonanza income. There is four types of income levels in Try3 plan. So in the Try3 plan, you are just we have basic how it is works. Let's see how it's work. It's basic. Okay, so in Try3 you want to invest 500 TRX, you want to invest, so and then join your company. So after that you are joining, you want to refer 3 persons. Okay, so if you refer 3 persons means you will get a profit of 50% from each. So 50% from each means, so you will get a 250 for each. You will get 750 TRX from 3 persons. After the completion of 3 persons, you will complete your level 1. Okay, so and then after the referrals, your referrals have start to works. So your referrals have initiated with the 3 persons, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So once 9 IDs will be completed means you will get earnings of 50% from those 9 peoples. Okay, so those 9 peoples, you will get a total earnings of 2250 TRX. Once the 9 peoples have completed their level 2, you will promoted to the slot 2. Okay, so in that your total income, so total income 750 plus 750 TRX. What does that means? In that level 1 you will earn 750 TRX, and then level 2 from 9 members you will get a 750 TRX. The total income will be directed deposited to your Tron wallet, and then your auto upgrade income will be 750 TRX. So and then your bounty income will be 750 TRX. This is a basic plan which Try3 will works. Okay, so and then we will let's see about how develop income works. So and now we can see about develop income, how it is works, and now will give you most of incomes. Okay, so 500 TRX is your investment, so you will join a company. So in the develop income, just modify the plan. So based on, so you want to refer 3 persons in Try3, right? So in the 3 person, you want to place the 3 persons by yourself also. Okay, so you want to put one ID by referring 3 persons. You want to put your ID for the 3 persons. Okay, so number 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 IDs will be you only. Okay, so 4 IDs will be you will get an investment of 2000 TRX is your investment. Okay, so in develop your income, you refer 3 persons, the 3 persons will be you only, so your investment will be 2000 TRX. So in the investment of 2000 TRX, you will basic returns in that. Okay, so that how it is means your income will be 750 TRX. Okay, so your investment 1250 TRX is your investment. Okay, right? So this is a basic first step. So and then let's see a second step. Okay, so 500 TRX you pay, just join the company. So the 3 reference also you only. So already you pay 500 2000 TRX, you will be get a profit of 750 TRX. So total investment 1250 TRX. So next step is you start your workings. Okay, so number 2 ID you will give 3 reference. Okay, so and then 2 will get earnings of 750 TRX. Okay, so number 3 will ID starts works, refer 3 persons, you will get a 3 persons, and then number 3 ID will get 750 TRX of profit. Okay, so number 4th ID will be start works, so 3 reference will be comes upon under that. So number 4 ID will get a 750 TRX of profit. So and then 2 750 TRX, 3 750 TRX, 4 750 TRX. So 2, 3, 4 and all IDs. So 750 TRX is a profit. So and then number 1 ID will get a profit of 750 TRX plus 750 TRX of bounty income in ID number 1. Okay, your profit total around profit is 3750 TRX is your profit now. Okay, okay, so next is the next step, how it is works, and it will start. So okay, so you refer 9 persons in your directs. Okay, so the downlines will start to work means how will you get an income. So already you refer 3 plus 3 plus 3 9 members. So the 9 members will start up work means, so each member refers 3 3 3 3 3. So 3 persons will start a works with 333 means, so number 2 id will get a income of 750 trx plus bounty income of 750 trx. Okay, so and then number 3 id downlines will start a works. So those 3 peoples will refer a 3 plus 3 plus 3 9 persons. So number 3 id will get a 750 trx plus a bounty income 750 trx. Okay, so and then number 4 id downlines will start a work 3 plus 3 3 plus 3. Okay, so same like that. So number 4 id will get a 750 trx plus bounty income of 750 trx. Okay, so now total income is 4500 trx is your total income. Okay, so next step, for 4 IDs your investment. Okay, so what is your investment for 4 IDs means 2000 TRX is your investment. So but you can get a profit, your total profit how it is means, so 9000 TRX is your total profit. So and then tires income. Okay, so tires income is each tires you complete, so you will get a one certain amount. Okay, so after 16 tires you will complete means you will get a 29 lakhs 51,226 TRX, you will get a profit. Okay, so that means you have a 4 IDs with your name. So and then you will get earnings of 4 times into. Okay, and your profit is 1 crore 18 lakhs 49,004 rupees. That means 40 rx is your profit. Okay, so and then bounty income, you will get a profit of 1 id 9 lakh 83,742 trx is your 1 id's bounty income. So you have 4 ids, so multiply with 4 is equal to, so 39 lakhs 34,968 TRX is your total bounty income for 4 IDs. So and then you will get a bonanza income. So for bonanza income for each ID, so that means 1 ID you will get a earnings of 62 lakh 32,000 TRX. So you have 4 IDs, multiply of 4, you will get a earnings of 2 crore 49 lakhs 28,000 TRX is your total bonanza income for 4 IDs. Okay, so and then you will get a total earnings of 4 IDs with after completion of 16 slots, you will get earnings of 4 crore 6 lakhs 67,872 TRX is your earnings. Okay, so 4 crores. Okay, around 4 crores is your profit of 4 IDs. Okay, so just an investment of 2000 TRX, you will get 9000 TRX of profit after completion of tier 1. So after completion of 16 slots, you will get earnings of 4 crores 6 lakhs 67,872 TRX. Okay, so this is a massive income which is given by the Try3 company. So the basic details, join Telegram channel, so Telegram group, contact number, so visit Try3. So company going to launch within a period. So okay, so ready to join with us. Thank you, Encrypt the Futures Try3. Okay, thank you.